Hello, in front of me I've got ALCATEL one. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. In the beginning, enter Google Pay app. Tap blue button at the bottom of the screen and focus on loyalty card, gift card and public transport. First let's enter loyalty and select loyalty card you would like to add, for example Payback Poland. Now you can scan your card or enter details manually. Tap save and it's done. Next, let's select gift card and similarly to loyalty card, select a shop, enter card number, PIN, balance your notes and tap save. And the last card you can add is public transport. If you are able to find your public transport, select it, you'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. All of your cards will appear right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.